All right, welcome everyone to Ryan Richards Slots. I'm here at Potawatomi Hotel and Casino in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Today I'm going to try my luck on the Golden Boat slot machine. All right, let's get to it. Right, so my ticket is in, a little over $400. These are the progressives up above that I'll be playing for, and it is a full boat, breathing fire, so hopefully we can get that bonus. All right, we'll try some $3 spins. So I need 3 of those dragon heads, or almost dragon. That would be the free spin bonus. Or you want to get those top cash in the first 2, and then anything that lands after that, you will win. We'll do some fast spins here. Played this one a while back, and when I was doing the fast spins, I actually ended up triggering the bonus. Come on. Let's get that nice line hit. There I had 2 of those top cash symbols. Come on. Come on. Oh, there we go, some numbers. A little something. Was that $18? Oh, there we go. Stopped it. Fast play. All right, now let's try and get a bonus in the bonus. Let's try and get 2 of those top cash symbols in the first 2 rows. And then you want to get these lines that come down. Come on. Ooh, a 10X. That would have been nice. Halfway through the bonus, not getting anything. All right, get those pots still in. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I couldn't get 1 pot to land. It's terrible. 1175. Jeez, all right. We're going for another bonus. Come on. Just going to do fast spins. Hopefully I can trigger it again. Ooh, saw the major land there. Come on. Oh, and second time the major landed. Come on. All right, 15 times. Oh, I don't even know what 15 times 15 is. $340 line hit. And that still wasn't the bonus yet. Fabulous line hit. Come on. These fast spins. What's going on here? All these hats are going up to that boat, and yet I'm not triggering that bonus. Come on. Do it now. I want to see those red lines. It's like the 4th or 5th time I've seen that major land. I said, geez. Come on. Look at that. Why is this thing not triggering? And yes, if you're wondering, I'm pushing the button, not slapping it. But I am pushing it fast. I'm just trying to... Oh, there. I think I got it. There we go. That's what I was waiting for. Now, come on. Let's get that major to drop. Now, those things throw little hats out. All right, come on. Land in the first, second. Oh, they all landed in the first. Oh, no. I need something to land in that. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. And I did get the major to drop, and the pot was right there. Come on. Oh my gosh. 37.50. All right. Well, no sense in continuing to play this one anymore because now it's an empty boat. All right. Well, I did get a phenomenal line hit on this game, and I did get the bonus. I should have got that major, and that's ridiculous. They didn't give me anything in that fourth reel. Otherwise, I would have had it. But that's how it goes. So cashing out, slight loss, 388.16. I think I started the session with like just over 400. So, but all right. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.